Hello, so quickly let's change some numbers to percentages. So how do we change a fraction, for example, or change a decimal to a percentage, right? Why do we need to change this? Both a fraction and a decimal, right, are some sort of, they're telling us a part, they're not whole numbers, right? So a fraction tells us a part of a whole, same thing as a decimal, right? And so since a percentage is a fraction that has a denominator of 100, you see, a percentage is actually a fraction that has a denominator of 100. What do I mean by that? So if I say 50%, for example, what does this mean? It means that this person got 50 out of 100. So the denominator of a percentage is always 100. So that means when I want to change a fraction to a percentage, for example, I simply multiply it by 100. Okay? I simply multiply it by 100. So if you simplify this, you can go ahead and do this. Also, I always advise that you can put all your numerators together so that you don't get confused, right? So 4 thankfully goes here 1 and it goes in 100 perfectly. So that I have 25. 1 times 25 is 25 over 1. So I have 25. But what tells me that it is a percentage? The percent symbol. A number is not in percentage. It doesn't have the percent symbol, right? So you must always put that. Let's see one more example. So if we want to change 2 over 5 to a percentage. So if this was changed to a denominator of 100, what would it be? Simply multiply it by 100. Again, you can simplify directly, or you just put your numerators together and then your denominators like this. Is anything simplifiable before I multiply? Yes, 5 goes here 1 and 5 goes here what? In 20 places. So 2 times 2 is 40. 2 times 20 is 40. So I have what? 40%. You must have this sign, otherwise it's just 40. Now, if you want to know, so this 40% means that 40 over 100 is the same thing as 2 over 5. Do you want us to check? Let's see. That's what it means, right? So if I say 40%, is it really 2 over 5? Is it really 2 over 5? 0 cancels 0. 2 goes here in 2 places and 2 goes here 5. Can you see? So 2 over 5 is the same thing as 40%. What that means is that if I make this fraction have a denominator of 100, the value will be 40. Okay? So when you are changing a fraction to percentage, simply multiply by 100, right? The same thing applies to decimal. I think we will do it in another video, another lesson. Please look out for it, right? Then we'll be able to, help you understand that better. I hope you find this helpful. God bless you.